Hello everybody. This is the power supply from Sommerkamp FP700 that is very simple. This is a diode bridge that is broken. There is 1, 2 and 3 transistor, transformer, capacitor, but the problem is here that is broken, and here we will replace the switch with one of pressure switch, black color, is a standard hole here, nice. Is power supply with speaker, very simple, clear, and we will repair. Probably is only one. If don't have the result, I will check and replace all the transistor. Capacitor could be good. 73 everybody, bye bye from IZ2K Yusuf.